Hi everyone. I hope you're doing great. Do you want to unpair your Apple Watch from your iPhone but aren't sure how to do it? In this video, I'll explain the process step by step. First, go to the official watch app on your iPhone. If you can't find it, simply search for it in the App Store and download it. Open the app and make sure you're on the My Watch tab. Tap on All Watches in the top left corner. You'll see a list of watches connected to your phone. Tap the info icon next to the watch you want to remove. Then select Unpair Apple Watch. At this point, you'll need to enter your Apple ID password to complete the process. Quick tip: make sure your Apple Watch is backed up before doing this so you don't lose any data. I hope this simple tutorial helped you unpair your Apple Watch hassle-free. If you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. See you in the next video.